just heading out for day 2 of our Montana trip here in April, and we're in Livingston area. We're gonna fish this small stream, and we're getting down to the high water mark at an access point, and then we're gonna stay below the high water mark from there on, so we can access the river. Oh, it looks pretty good. But I think up where the bare rocks are, I think you're okay. Got a little spot to cross. We're thinking just right across there we can get through. It looks like it stays fairly shallow. Over there it looks like it deepens up, so I think we're gonna try and come up through there to cross. See what we can do. We've been fishing this really nice hole for maybe an hour, Larry, would you say?
Maybe a little longer than
hour, a little longer. It's been a cold morning, so we're hoping that the fact that we haven't caught anything is just because they haven't warmed up yet and they're not biting, and not that there's no fish in here. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna probably move up pretty soon, try and find some new water, and see if we can find some active fish.
Yesterday I caught the first fish of the day, and I got a little big about it, and decided that I was pretty special, and never caught another fish the rest of the day. So I'm here to eat a little crow, hopefully to superstitiously avoid not catching one today.
So unfortunately it didn't quite work. 5 hours later we're back on the same run, with this being the only fish we caught for the day. Here, Ladin caught it. So this was day 5, April 9th, on a Yellowstone tributary. 0 fish caught, 0 minutes of TV show footage. Total for the 2021 season of fly fishing adventures, 2.3 shows in the can. See you next time.